back to our SST classroom. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Students, in the last class we have started our chapter, right? That is lesson number 5, Equatorial Forest. And in that what we have discussed? We have discussed about the location and climate. So, what we have discussed in location, where these equatorial forests are found? On the equator, on the torrid zone, right? And so the name equator indicates that it lies on the equator, right? So we see that equatorial forest region, it falls on which zone? Falls on torrid zone. And you all know this torrid zone receives direct sunlight. What direct vertical rays of sunlight falls on this torrid zone. So because of that, equatorial forest, it remains hot and wet throughout the year. Right? This we have discussed in the last class. And also we have discussed about that this equatorial forest region is spread over the 3 continents. So which continent we discussed in that 3 continents? That is Asia, Africa and South America, right? So students, in South America, the countries which lie in the equatorial region are Colombia, Brazil. This we have discussed in last class. And also we have seen in Africa, it covers the entire region of Congo and coast of and the Guinea coast of West Africa. And what we have discussed in South Asia, which country lie? Malaysia, Singapore, Sri Lanka, parts of India, right? And Australia. Okay. So, and Australia also found in this zone, right? So this we have discussed about the location. And then what we have discussed about the climate. How is the climate in this equatorial region? Remain hot and wet throughout the year, right? And here you see the high humidity. Why? Because the rate of evaporation, right? As this place receive direct sunlight, so here the rate of evaporation is receive the direct vertical rays of sunlight. So here you will see the high rate of evaporation, right? And because of that, this place remain hot and wet throughout the years. This water gets evaporated and form clouds, and then in the form of rain it comes down. So because of that, this place remain hot and wet throughout the year. Now students, let's start with a new concept, that is plant life and animal life. Okay, plant life and wildlife. Today we are going to discuss about plant life and wildlife. So let's start. Since the region receives rainfall throughout the year, there is healthy growth of natural vegetation. Students, do you hear? Because of rainfall, here you will see the healthy growth of natural vegetation. Students, the equatorial region is an evergreen as the trees remain green and do not shed their leaves at same time. Right students? So because of that, this equatorial forest remain evergreen. Okay, evergreen throughout the year, because here the trees do not shed their leaves at same time. So because of that, this forest is known as evergreen forest. And trees grow in trees. Here you will see the trees grow in a different height, forming several layers. You can see here in the picture, students. Trees grow in a different height and forming several layers. Okay, students. So students, trees of this region also have broad leaves. You can see here in the picture, students. Trees of the region also have broad leaves and thick branches, forming a canopy at the top. Students, I have explained you this canopy in class 4. That you can see in this picture. picture, canopy you can see. It looks like an umbrella, right? I have explained you in the last class in standard 4. So you can see the trees of this region also have broad leaves and thick branches forming a canopy at the top. You can see here in the picture, student, canopy at the top. Okay. Now students, mosses and lichen grow on the damp trunk and the branches of trees inside the forest. You can see here, students, the picture. Mosses and lichen, it grow on the damp trunk and the branches of trees inside the forest. Okay. Students, equatorial forests are very useful. Now, how this forest is very useful? Students, do you remember in 4th we have done about the evergreen forest? So, we get the wood, right? We have discussed about the wood which we get from evergreen forest. Now, here ebony and mahogany etc. provide raw material for many industries, right? Are very useful for making many things, right? Students, ebony, mahogany etc. provide raw material from many industries. Students, ebony, mahogany is the name of trees which we have discussed in class 4, right? This ebony, mahogany etc. are found in which forest? Evergreen forest. So students, ebony, mahogany provide raw material for many industries. Okay. This forest also comprise creepers, orchids, lianas and tall trees. You can see on the picture, students. This forest also comprise creepers, orchids, lianas and tall trees. Students, they release oxygen and a lot of moisture in the air. Okay, students? And the result is heavy precipitation. Okay, students? They release oxygen and lot of moisture in the air, which result a precipitation. Precipitation means it comes in the form of rain, right? So that is why they are called, this forest is called rain forest. Okay, why it's called? Because let's start wildlife. Okay, students? Students, animal life in equatorial region is abundance. Means you will see a lot and varieties of animals. There are immense number and a variety of insect found here. Varieties of insect, animals, etc. are found in this equatorial region. So, for example, we see insect, butterfly, mosquito, spider, and many more are found in equatorial region. So, students, animals like gorilla, chimpanzee, white pig, okapis are found in this region. Students, you know about the famous anaconda? Yes, the anaconda snake also inhabitant of Amazon basin in South America. Okay, it's found, where it found anaconda? It found in the Amazon basin of South America. And students, gorilla are found in Africa. Okay, students? Students, big animals such as jaguars, you can see in the picture, crocodiles and elephant are also found in this region. Students, there are well and large varieties of monkeys and colorful birds are also found in this region. So this we talk about wildlife. Okay, understood, students? I hope you all have understood about the plant life and wildlife. And now students, in the next video we are going to discuss about human life. By the time, what you have to do? You all have to read the textbook and underline important points.